After relatively long-term price swings, oil seems to be stabilizing around the level of $95 per barrel. Investor sentiment is being driven mainly by the news of improved prospects for energy demand in China following the announced plans to ease lockdown measures. Also, Chinese authorities are taking steps to support its flagging real estate sector. Nevertheless, the energy market appears to be coming under pressure from forecasts regarding a mild winter in Europe. This means that energy consumption in the region will be noticeably lower. Therefore, Europe will hardly face a severe energy crunch. At least mass power outage can be avoided. So Europe will not have to urgently seek additional energy supplies. And in this case, oil may well drop to $90 per barrel. By the end of last week, Brent crude oil futures managed to pare some losses. The quote bounced off the support level of $92 per barrel and rushed towards the 97. The benchmark kicked off the new trading week with a gap up, but it was filled almost immediately. As a result, the quote from the trading range limited by the levels of 95 and 97. Thus, a breakout of one of its boundaries will lead to an increase in the volume of trading positions and help determine the asset's further direction. A steady decline in the dollar allows gold to stay above the level of $1,750 per ounce. However, this week's macroeconomic calendar includes data on inflation in Britain. According to forecasts, the UK consumer prices are likely to rise further. This means that the Bank of England will stick to its aggressive rate hike path. Interest rate increases will contribute to massive flows of capital from gold to the debt market to government bonds. Against this background, the yellow metal may return to $1,700 per ounce by the end of this week. Now let's get back to the topic of energy. The market has already priced in the US Treasury's decision to allow some energy-related transactions with several Russian entities. This news triggered a steep rally in the ruble, thus forcing the greenback to return to the area of 60 rubles. And now the dollar-ruble pair is expected to spend the next couple of days stabilizing at current levels. Thus, the market will hardly see any significant changes until the middle of the week. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.